Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning.
Morning, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
So, children, please sit properly. Please don't touch your device. Please don't touch your
Good
device.
morning,
Children. Sit properly. Nanda, please don't touch your device. Keep your device in one place and sit properly.
Ma'am, I'm not able to hear you, ma'am.
You can now. You can hear me.
Ma'am, I'm Sushmita. I'm not able to hear you, ma'am.
Children, everyone can hear me.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone can hear me. Why can't Shushmita?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Why can't Shushmita is unable to hear me?
We know how to make a basket.
Children, meanwhile, you be ready with your books, children. Meanwhile, you be ready with your books.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, children. Good morning, ma'am.
So, you wanted to tell for your friends?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
So meanwhile, you be ready with your books, children. So already, see, children, daily I cannot message you that you should be ready with your books. You should be ready on time. So I don't want to remind you. At the beginning, means we can remind you, but now you are habituated for all these classes. So always I cannot message because I will be busy with some other class also. I will be stuck in some other class. That time I may forgot to message you. So you always be ready with your books, pencil, eraser. So always teacher need not to tell the same thing that you have to be ready with your books, you have to be ready on class, you have to be ready with your pencil or eraser. Always need not to tell no children. So always make sure that you are ready with all your things. Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Yeah, Shritan. Is it Shritan?
No, ma'am, Jwalanti.
Yeah, Jwalanti.
Ma'am, I make the poster. I
Yeah.
should staple in the page, ma'am.
Okay.
Workbook page.
Okay. Yeah.
I
What
should
is your doubt?
staple it.
Yeah, you can paste with gum or you can staple it, but it should be posted.
Ma'am, we can say good morning to our friends.
No need, Nanda. Nanda, please, no need. Say only good morning for me, more than enough. No need to tell your friends. If one starts, everyone will start saying good morning to everyone. Okay?
Good morning,
It
ma'am.
will,
I stapled, ma'am.
Good morning, all.
yeah, good morning for everyone. Now, no need to say me good morning. So, better you keep quiet until I start the class. Let everyone admit in the class.
Okay, ma'am.
Please let everyone admit in the class. Yeah.
First, workbook or content book, ma'am?
Yeah, first we'll start with workbook only because here we are going to learn the small like what we say, it's a passage. It's a passage about it's a passage about Taj Mahal. We'll be discussing about the importance of Taj Mahal and we'll be knowing
Ma'am,
the
even it
greatness
is
of Taj
here only, Taj Mahal.
What?
Ma'am, Taj Mahal is here only.
I want everyone should sit properly, fold your hands and sit properly. Fold your hands and sit properly.
Ma'am, yesterday you didn't do second and third question.
Yeah, second and third question, children. Write 3 sentences about why you think these buildings are special. Name 2 other buildings which are our heritage. So, here they are asking name another 2 buildings which is not there in your workbook. You can see the content book and you can write there in content book. I have given many other architects. You can write some other monuments, children, like Sun Temple. Okay.
Ma'am, I wrote yesterday only,
Yeah,
ma'am.
okay. So you can mention any 2 important heritage, children. Built heritage you can mention, which is not there in your workbook. Okay. And you have to write 3 sentences. What you wrote? See, write 3 sentences about why you think these buildings are special. Why these are special? Because they are built in the past. That is one special thing. Okay, and one more special thing is they are constructed by great kings. Another important point is
They're famous
they
in
give
world.
lots of information for us. Yes, no, children? These historical
ma'am.
buildings give lots of information. It is very beautiful, and it tells about our past. It is constructed by our great kings. Okay, you can mention these points.
These are.
And coming to what else have you seen the Ashoka pillar as shown in the picture C? Picture C, you can see no Ashoka pillar. Picture C,
In
Ashoka pillar
assembly,
you can
ma'am.
see, no? So they are asking you, where else you will see the Ashoka pillar?
In assembly.
No, where else?
Great.
Where else you have means you saw this picture anywhere? In our day-to-day life, we'll be seeing this picture, Ashoka pillar. Where you means please recollect it. Yeah. Where else you will see this Ashoka pillar?
Ma'am, in notes.
Very good. Who told that? Who told that?
Pranay.
Very good.
Huh?
Pranay. Yes, Pranay told is the right. We will see the Ashoka pillar on our currency, coins. 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin. We have no 5 rupee coins. In that coins, you will be seeing this Ashoka pillar.
మమ్మీ కొన్ని నీళ్ళు తీసుకొస్తా.
Who is that?
Okay.
Who is that? Please unmute yourself. Mute yourself. Did you write, children? To a second and third question.
Excuse me, ma'am. I'm not having textbook.
Yogisha, I will share in the screen. So meanwhile, you wait. Okay, Yogisha, I already told you, you should go to school and you have to ask Tanuja madam. She will provide you. Why you don't go to school?
But they said we have to give the bundle also, ma'am.
Not about bundle. Separate one content book I have given in the school. One separate content book you will get.
And said no, ma'am, will not.
Okay. When I go to school, I'll call you. You come to school. That time I'll provide you. Okay.
Okay,
Okay. Okay. Always don't say me the same thing. I don't have the content book. I already told you. When you go to school, you will get that content. Okay. So did all mention, children? Everyone wrote second and third question. Yes, sir. Thumbs up at least.
Yes, ma'am.
Mute yourself. I will mute everyone. Better. Everyone finished? You wrote second and third question? Third question I told you, mostly you will see the national emblem on currency and coins. That 2 points are more than enough. We will see the national, means Ashoka pillar in currencies and coins. Okay. Now coming to our today's topic. What is today's topic? Who will tell me?
Ma'am, the Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal.
So Taj Mahal.
Read the passage and answer the questions.
Please don't disturb me. I want everyone should be quiet. Don't disturb me. So children, today's our topic is Taj Mahal. So here you will know the significance of Taj Mahal. So it is our built heritage, no? It has constructed by our great king. Who is the king who constructed this Taj Mahal? Can anyone tell me?
Shah Jahan.
Very good. Shah Jahan. He constructed this
Shah Jahan.
beautiful monument.
Taj Mahal.
Yeah. So today we'll learn about the significance of the Taj Mahal. This is our built heritage. Can anyone tell me what is meant by heritage? Yesterday also I told you what is meant by heritage. Can anyone tell me? Can anyone tell me? Danush, will you tell me what is meant by heritage?
A source that can
I want the
a source to know more about our past.
Where we live.
I want only one answer. Why all are talking? I want only one answer. Please.
Where we live.
Heritage is something we got from our past. It is handed over to us from the ask. Actually, we are preserving, no children, all these historical buildings. Are we preserving or not? Say me yes or no. So, like
Yes,
Taj
ma'am.
Mahal, Qutub Minar, Char Minar, Golconda, Red Fort, all these are the historical monuments. So, which was handed over to us. So, today we are preserving all these monuments, and we also means we are preserving today. So, we will again hand over to our future generation. Got it? My voice is breaking, children. Are you unable to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
My voice is
It's
clear.
clear only, ma'am.
Okay.
Clear only, ma'am.
Okay. Now, please, will you take out the workbook? I'll share my screen. You people,
Yeah,
open
ma'am.
your workbook. I will share my screen. Okay. I'll share my screen. You people, take out your workbook.
Ma'am, always scribble, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
If anyone is doing this stupid work, see what I will do. You don't know about me. Already you know what I will do. I'll come to your home and I'll bang you. Got it? I'll come to your home and I'll bang you.
Ma'am.
Okay. Can please mention the date?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, we did not read this one, ma'am. Ma'am.
Which one? Aro? Aro or Varun? Okay. So please mention the date, children. So now I'll be reading the Taj Mahal. So read the passage and answer the question. Can anyone read for me? Praneeth Verma?
Ma'am.
No, Praneeth Verma will read. Praneeth Verma, please.
I already read the passage, ma'am.
Satvik, please don't disturb me. Satvik, please don't disturb me.
22
Praneeth,
years to
please.
build Taj Mahal.
Everyone mute yourself.
Shah Jahan. Ma'am, I can say.
Only Praneeth Verma will unmute here and remaining all will be in mute. Praneeth Verma, please unmute. Okay, I unmuted you. Now please read 3 lines.
It took almost 22 years to build the Taj Mahal.
Wait. So children, can you underline this point? It took almost 22 years it seems to build a Taj Mahal. Please underline this point. No one will talk, I told. I will solve all your doubts. Please stop talking.
Full complete.
So please underline this point. So how many years? I'll be asking you questions, children. So it took 22 years it seems to build the Taj Mahal. Praneeth Verma, continue.
The Mughal
Mughal. The
Mughal
Emperor. Shah Jahan
had built in 1632.
So please underline this point also. Please underline this point. Who constructed this great monument? Who constructed this historical monument, children? Emperor, Mughal Emperor. Who is
Shah
he?
Jahan.
Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. So in which year? 1632. So please underline this point. I'll be asking you. If anyone will not answer me, see, severe punishment.
About 20,000 people were worked to build this beautiful
Monument. So please underline the point 20,000 people worked. Please underline only 20,000 people worked. Underline only that point. Okay. Now, Shanmukha Priya.
1 second.
Shanmukha Priya. Praneeth Verma. Okay. Thank you so much. I'll give chance for Shanmukha Priya. Shanmukha Priya, continue the point. Shanmukha Priya, continue the next point. After beautiful monuments. After beautiful monuments, continue the next point. Shanmukha Priya, I had shared my screen. You already have the workbook, and for what you are searching, I don't know. If you're not interested, I'll give chance for someone else. Jwalanti.
Ma'am,
Can I?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can
ma'am.
Stop.
Ma'am.
When I tell for
can I-
someone, they only will read, not everyone.
Ma'am.
Jwalanti.
The land on which the Taj Mahal is built was from a
Rajput.
Rajput king.
Please underline only the Rajput king. Underline. So actually, the land on which the Taj Mahal was built from Rajput king. Please underline only Rajput king. Okay.
The
Jwalanti,
Taj
continue.
Mahal.
Hmm.
The Taj Mahal is built of white marble from Rajasthan.
So actually, where they brought the marble from which state? Which state, children?
Rajasthan.
Please underline that point. White marble from Rajasthan. White marble from Rajasthan. Please underline that point. Okay. Jwalanti,
The
continue.
walls were decorated with
Decorated with
28 different kinds of precious stones.
Please
which
underline this
came
point.
from
Please
Punjab.
underline this point. Is very important point. The walls were decorated with 28 different kinds of precious stones. So underline.
Ma'am, can you explain from starting?
Who is that? Who is that? For whom I have to explain? I'll explain once again, children. Let them read. Okay, let them read. After that, again, I'll explain you very, very clearly. Please let Jwalanti read.
Which
Jwalanti?
came from Punjab.
Yeah, Punjab. Underline Punjab.
Punjab,
Yeah.
China, Tibet, and Sri Lanka.
Please underline all those states and country name.
The
Punjab,
Taj Mahal.
China, Tibet, and Sri Lanka. Please underline all these Punjab and as well as China, Tibet, Sri Lanka.
The Taj Mahal is located in a garden divided into four
parts.
parts.
Okay.
This type of garden was common in Persia, from where
Persia. Please underline this point.
Persia.
This type of garden was common in Persia, from where the Mughal rulers are believed to have come to India. Please underline this point. This type of garden was common in Persia, from where the Mughal rulers are believed to have come to India. Please underline this point. Okay. Yeah. Okay, now I'll
The
give chance for
inner-
Sriram. Sriram?
Ma'am,
Yeah,
ma'am, I can say.
Sriram will tell. Sriram. Children, I'll give chance for everyone. Yeah, Sriram will tell. Sriram, read out the next point. Sriram. The inner boundary. Sriram. Sriram, I cannot hear your voice. Okay, Vasalya. Vasalya will read out. Vasalya. Vasalya.
The inner boundary has umbrella-shaped domes called.
So, can you underline this point?
chhatris.
Can you underline the inner boundary has which shape? Umbrella shaped domes called Chatri. Please underline this point. The inner boundary has umbrella shaped domes called Chatri. Okay, continue, Vasalya.
These chhatris are found in many Hindu temples too.
Okay.
The roof of the Taj is in the shape of a dome, which is common in mosques.
Common in mosques. Okay, underline this point. The roof of Taj is in the shape of dome, which is common in mosque. Please underline this point.
The top of the dome has a lotus design.
So, top of the dome has which design? Lotus design itself. Okay. So, now I will explain you once again, children. So, actually, Taj Mahal was, means how many years it took, children, to construct Taj Mahal? 22 years it took.
22 years.
Please let me explain. Later, I will ask you. It took 22 years to construct the Taj Mahal. So, the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan was, means he built this beautiful monument in which year? 1632. And almost 20,000 people were worked to make this beautiful monument. 20,000 workers were worked with him. And so on which land this Taj Mahal was constructed? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Next. So the Taj Mahal was built with what, children? With which material the Taj Mahal was built?
White marble from Rajasthan.
White marble.
White marble.
Okay. So it was constructed. So they brought the precious stone, no? They brought the precious stone, no? From which they brought? From which places they brought this the precious stone? Can you name them?
Rajasthan,
Wait.
Punjab, China, Tibet, and Sri Lanka.
Okay. 1 second. Akshat?
Punjab, Chennai,
Akshat?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Can you tell me how the dome look like? The top of the dome, Taj Mahal, top is there in dome. So it
Ma'am,
is
can
which
I-
design? No, Akshat will tell. Yeah. The top of dome has which design?
Curve design.
Which design?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I?
Design.
Umbrella shaped.
Lotus
Umbrella
design.
shaped.
Lotus
Umbrella
design.
shaped.
Lotus design, ma'am.
Lotus design.
Please, you people don't repeat the answer. Means only one should answer, not everyone. Okay. Now I'll be asking for Satvik. K. Satvik. K. Satvik. So the umbrella shaped domes, what they are called as? Umbrella shaped domes, what they are called as?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, can I?
Satvik, I cannot hear your voice. Sai Satvik will say. Sai Satvik.
Are na పేరు
Sai Satvik will say.
Yes, ma'am.
Sai Satvik.
Chatris.
Yeah, very good. Chatris.
Chat trees.
Okay. Now I'll be asking you a few questions. Parthi Bharadwaj. Can you unmute yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Can you tell me what does the Taj Mahal tells about Shah Jahan, King Shah Jahan? What does the King Shah Jahan? What does the Taj Mahal tells about the King Shah Jahan? So he constructed the Taj Mahal, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So how many years it took to construct?
22 years.
So how many workers worked for making this?
20,000.
20,000 workers. So 22 years it took means how much wealthiest person he might be. Yes, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So he invested his money for more than 22 years to construct this great monument. So the king might be the wealthiest person. So he brought the precious stone from different countries. So can anyone name what are those countries?
Ma'am, China.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yeah, China.
Tibet, Sri
Not
Lanka.
everyone. Not
Punjab,
everyone.
China, Tibet, and Sri Lanka.
Not everyone. I will mute everyone.
China, Tibet, Sri Lanka.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Punjab, China, Tibet, Sri Lanka.
I muted everyone. Children, I don't want such group answers. It will get lots of disturbance for me. Just raise your hand. I'll call out your name so that you can answer. What is this?
Ma'am, watch it over, ma'am.
But I should explain, no? Varun, I don't know. Varun or Arav, until I explain, you have to wait. Okay? Let me finish my explanation. Then we'll go for workbook part. So here, so what does it tell you about the wealth of India at that time? So actually, king was very wealthiest person. So what does it tell us about the status of India at that time? Actually, how they brought these material, children? That time we have any vehicles? Heavy vehicles we have to bring such a huge material to construct the Taj Mahal?
No.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Who will tell me? Wait. Chandrika.
Ma'am.
Yeah, can you tell me that time what are the source that this material has carried down to our actually they brought from Tibet, China, Sri Lanka, no? So are there any flights or any vehicles to bring materials to our country? Do we have any vehicles? So how they brought, according to your knowledge, what you're thinking that how this material has brought to our country?
Ma'am, they all carried it until here.
So how they carried, Srinanda?
Ma'am, some will carry on their shoulders or they will take bullock carts and go, ma'am.
No, that time they used elephants. Actually, look here, children, the material must have been brought to Agra on elephant back or carried by people. What Nanda told is right. So few people carried on their back, not only people but also elephants also helped to bring these material from other places. Okay, that time there were no vehicles. That's why they used they used the help of animals as well as people. So the workers might have been very skilled and hardworking children. Actually, they worked for many years, and that too with many people. Children, I'm getting lots of disturbance. And they that time people are so skilled, hardworking. That's why they had made this beautiful monument to our India. And this Taj Mahal is not just it's about a beauty building, but also a heritage of India. And it tells us about our past, the architect, beautiful material, building material, the skilled laborers and the emperor who got it built. So here lots of hard work was their children. Because when you see Taj Mahal, you will think about the great workers who worked for this. You'll think about the workers, how they have constructed without having the today we are having lots of equipments to construct beautiful buildings, but that time we don't have all these equipments. Even though also they constructed the great monument. So we have to appreciate these workers, how they have constructed without any resource.
Ma'am?
Yeah.
Ma'am, how many workers has Taj Mahal built, ma'am?
20,000.
Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yeah, what is your doubt?
Ma'am, for whom he built Taj Mahal, ma'am?
For his wife, Mumtaz. So that's why it became the wonder in the world. It is one of the one of the wonder in our world.
Ma'am, who
And,
will
Taj
be
Mahal
there, ma'am?
also a symbol for our India. Today Taj Mahal.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, what is wonder, ma'am?
Wonder means something great, which we cannot see in any
Okay,
place.
ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Yeah, what is the
Who
doubt?
will be there, ma'am?
Ma'am, in Taj Mahal, will they allow fuel cars or battery cars?
No, just we have to go to visit and see and come back. Okay?
And to go, we should go in battery cars or fuel cars.
Inside we should go by walk. We should not use any vehicles. To see the Taj Mahal, just we have to go by walk. I'm saying
No, it's only in fourth class. That's only possible.
Ma'am, where is the Taj Mahal?
everyone
How
should not
many
talk.
kilometers it would be?
Children,
Ma'am,
See,
how many kilometers it would be, ma'am?
yeah, actually it is constructed in Agra, no? Hundreds of kilometers we have to travel, and after reaching there we'll have vehicles. To reach Agra, we'll have vehicle. After that, we have to go inside the Taj Mahal by walk. Okay? Yeah.
Ma'am, where is the Taj Mahal built?
Children, we have very less time. Let me explain. Please. Don't ask me silly questions. See here, why was building forts and palaces important for kings, children? Please let me explain this question. So why was building forts and palaces important for kings? Why they had constructed for us all these? Did we ask kings that we want these monuments for us? Did we go and ask kings? Did we ask kings? No.
No.
So why they had constructed? To show their greatness. to show that how much they are wealthiest, how much great they are. They wanted to show their greatness. That's why they had constructed, and they want their name to be till now also we are we are discussing about this great monument. No, we are discussing about these great kings. They want that these kings should be named and they should be appreciated by everyone. That's why they have constructed these greatest monuments and palaces for us. Got it, children? Children, will you take out your workbook? I'll share my screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Please take out your workbook. We have very less time. Please take out and start writing. Mention the date, children. Children, please fill in the column. So here, rows and columns are given. So in row, describe these for Taj Mahal and what do they tell us about the past. And building material, workers who built it, emperor who had it built, and details of building design. So here, first question is describe these for Taj Mahal. So building material for to construct Taj Mahal, what building material are used? Please mention in that box.
White marble.
Yeah, mention. Please mention in your workbook, children. No need to tell. Please make it fast. We have very less time. Let me finish my work.
Finish, ma'am.
Now coming to the second, workers who build. How many?
I completed workbook, ma'am.
How many workers were there to construct this?
20,000.
Yeah, right on there, 20,000. So next, emperor. Yeah, emperor who had it built. Can you name that emperor? Yeah, please mention. Yeah.
Shah Jahan.
Yeah, everything is in your workbook only. Please check your.
Without talking, write the answers. Pavani ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
you can underline the answers here. Ma'am. Yeah. Who has unmuted? Who's helping you, ma'am?
No one is helping, madam.
Ma'am, can we? Vatsalya Amrita has unmuted. Satvik has unmuted. Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Already they underline in their workbooks, madam. I already told before only to underline the important points. Seeing that they will be writing.
Okay.
Okay, next.
And Pavani ma'am,
Yes, yes, ma'am.
after your class, I want to know what is the problem of the students to post their worksheets in the MCB app. Why they are not posting in MCB app?
Okay, okay.
I
I'll
want to
call.
know what is their problem.
Okay.
Ma'am, I am posting in HB only, ma'am.
If you are posting, very good. The question is to children who are not posting. Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, children.
Who is this?
We have very less time. Let me finish my work. After that, we have at the end of the class, I'll give chance for everyone to talk. Okay. Next, details of building designs. So, how the building look like? What type of design they use here? Can anyone tell me what type of design they use to construct?
Umbrella design.
Okay. Okay, okay. You can write. You can write that down.
Umbrella shape.
Okay, children, please mention your workbook.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, who is that?
Ma'am, this is Pranay.
Okay.
How to post 3 pages in MCB, ma'am?
Actually, when I post to means 3 pages, means
We
you can
have
post,
to go to college and select
Okay.
in gallery.
Okay. Someone is saying no. You can ask your friends.
In
Children.
gallery, you have to select some photos and click on it. Then you will get.
Children, what is this? Really, if you have any doubt, ask your friends. They will solve your problems. Even means everyone should post, no. So everyone will be having doubt. If anyone finish means you successfully, if you posted 3 pages, means please suggest your friends how to post. When you contact your friends, when you WhatsApp your friends, they will message you so that you will get the answer. Okay. Now coming to the second row, what do they tell us about the past? Come on, tell me, children. Building material. What do they tell us about?
Ma'am, they bought it from Rajasthan.
Yeah. Yes.
They
Very
are
good.
very precious.
Yeah, you can write any point.
They are very precious.
Ma'am, that's a white stone.
Precious.
Next,
Finish, ma'am.
on workers. What does it tells about the workers? What does it tells about the workers? Actually, workers are
Ma'am,
very
we
skilled,
have
no?
to appreciate them.
Yeah, skilled. They are very hardworking workers. Next, emperor who had it built. So how the emperor is? He's poor or he's wealthiest?
Ma'am, he built it without any equipments, ma'am.
And also he is rich or poor?
Rich.
Yeah, you have to mention that.
Rich, ma'am.
Very wealthiest person.
Is rich person.
Next, details of building design.
Wealthiest spelling.
Details of building
Ma'am, it is
design.
beautiful.
You have to tell the details. I already
Ma'am, it is
asked you to
beautiful.
understand. Yeah, it is brought from Islam.
Ma'am, they bought the materials
Ma'am.
to build them from different states.
Ma'am,
Yeah. Roof is similar to modern.
Ma'am, I'm
It has come
not
from
understand.
Islamic state. Who is that not understanding? Who is that not understanding? This
ma'am, this is written.
yeah.
Ma'am, which the emperor who had it built,
Yeah.
what can tell us about the past, ma'am?
Yeah,
I'm not
actually,
understanding
yeah,
that
actually,
point.
his history. Actually, how he is. So he is very wealthiest person. Because of that reason, he had constructed this huge building monument. Okay, this heritage.
Okay, ma'am.
This heritage. Because of his wealthiness only, he can able to make this. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. And
Now, can you? Yeah.
Ma'am, I can't understand details of building design, ma'am.
Yeah, that all I'm saying. No. So, what does the past tells about the building design is actually.
Ma'am, they
the-
bought it from many different.
Yeah, actually, the roof is. It looks like a Islamic style, no children? Mosque. So you can see now in the picture, Taj Mahal picture, you can see top how it is. Mostly you see this type of things in mosques. So they took this design from Islamic style. You can mention that point. You can mention that
Ma'am,
point.
I have a doubt.
Yeah. Children, let me finish second one. Then I can talk about your doubt. Write about one danger that you think the Taj Mahal faces today. What type of danger?
Ma'am,
What
can
are
I tell?
Pollution.
Can I tell?
Yeah, tell.
Pollution. Pollution.
Yeah.
The smoke of pollution that vehicles really.
Yeah. Yeah, when you scribble on the walls also, it will spoil. Please mention in your books.
Ma'am, mostly we should not scribble and we should not bring fuel vehicles or any vehicles, ma'am.
Okay.
They can make pollution and sometimes they can spoil the beauty of the Taj Mahal.
Very good, Srinanda. Very good. You told
Ma'am,
the
it will
exact answer.
spoil the pollution.
Yes, sir. You told the correct and the exact answer. What Srinanda is told is the right answer. So it will spoil the beauty because of the pollution, and when you scribble on the walls, the Taj Mahal will be spoiled. So please write down.
బుర్రి ఏందా సరే వాళ్ళంతా సమాధానం చెప్పారు